Every hypothetical has consequences. In this world, they're real.
Does everything really happen for a reason? Humans, we just mess around with what's accepted. We have laws, we have math, but in the end, they're just wanderings restricted to a plane of man-made axioms. If we look towards reality for foundation, we only reach the edge of what we're capable of observing. And if we could look deeper, wouldn't causation become recursive? If everything has a reason, then wouldn't that mean that reality is an infinite chain of cause and effect? I shouldn't concern myself with this existentialism. Maybe all I want is to live in a world where not everything has to have a reason, where everyone can just enjoy exploring truths that are predefined by mankind, not a being we have no control of. Where is this place? Where am I?
This is the world of XKCD. Think of a hypothetical, and it'll be put to the test. Aren't you excited?
Wow. I need to write this down. I need to write down my hypothetical question. I got this. What if two immortal people were placed on opposite sides of an uninhabited Earth-like planet? How long would it take them to find each other? 100,000 years? 1,000,000 years? 100 years?
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. If you asked me how long it would take for two immortal people placed on opposite sides of an uninhabited Earth-like planet to find each other, I would get up and find another seat on the bus. However, since I am stuck in this video, I'll give you your answer. We'll start with the simple physicist-style answer, 3,000 years. That's about how long it would take two people to find each other, assuming that they were walking around at random over a sphere for 12 hours per day and had to get within a kilometer to see each other. If you leave a trail of dated rocks, however, you are able to shorten this time to merely decades, as long as the other person is doing the same thing. You know, here's a better question. What would happen if you fire a bullet with the density of a neutron star? You could imagine firing it from a gun, but it might be more interesting to simply drop it. In either case, the bullet would accelerate downward, punch into the ground, and burrow towards the center of the Earth. Just like this! The hole would close up, leaving the bullet forever out of anyone's reach. Eventually, the Earth would be consumed by the aging, swollen sun, and the bullet would reach its final resting place at the sun's core.
Okay. Time to test this. Wait, stop! 3, 2, 1, go!